When it comes to installing packages in pfSense, there are various packages which are available which will help you not only to secure your network but also to enable the privacy on your network. It also helps you to improve the performance. So various options are available. One of the packages that I'm using the most was Squid. Squid is in fact a web proxy which will help you to have the caching within the pfSense, and that will help you to improve the traffic performance on the network. Then is pf blocker ng. This is one of the best ways to block the incoming and outgoing traffic. The third one that I'm using is SquidGuard. So if you want to block unwanted website on your network, you can use SquidGuard for that purpose. Darkstat is the network traffic monitor. This will help you to understand which device on the network is consuming more traffic and why. This is extremely beneficial when you want to understand that if something is wrong with the device or something is wrong on the network. Finally is Snort. Snort is of course the most popular intrusion detection software. So you can install Snort package on the pfSense and then you can understand if there is anything wrong on the pfSense. Let me show you the packages and let us understand how the packages can be installed. Alright, so here I'm on pfSense, and if I go here to System, Package Manager, you will see list of installed packages, and here it will show you whether you want to update the package, what is the current package. In case there is any new version available, you will see that in this way. If you want to remove, you can remove it. If you want to see the information, you will see the information from here about this package. It will open the documentation of Netgate, and here if I go to available packages, you will be able to see all the available packages here. The first package that I talked about was Squid High Performance Web Proxy. You can simply click here. So here you will get all the information related to Squid. SquidGuard is again the high performance web proxy URL filtering. I'm using this on my production server. The purpose of this is to block the unwanted website, but at the same time I'm using Pi-hole. So Pi-hole is also helping me to block the unwanted website. Then is the pf blocker ng, which will help you to safeguard your network by blocking all these unwanted IPs on the network. Then is the Darkstat, which we talked about. By simply clicking on install, you will be able to install that. And then is finally Snort. Snort is an open source network intrusion prevention and detection system. These are some of the packages which you must have on your pfSense installation. Depending upon your hardware resources available, of course it will consume more resources, it will need more storage, it will need more processing power, and it will need more memory. So if you have enough storage, enough memory, enough performance power, so you can install these packages and you can start utilizing it. In next video, I'll explain you how we can install and how we can configure.